Hey guys, this is your girl Angel. Guys, I'm back, you know me. So today we are in a new park. It is called Rock Band Park, I believe. And we are literally exploring because we've never been to this specific park. So we're literally exploring. As you can see, that is my behind. So I thought I would share this with you guys. You know me, I love nature. So I'm out here sharing this beautiful side of this park with you guys. So ciao. Your girl is back with some adventure. Yay! Ooh, 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 ooh.
Just a boy running it.
Cheers to my pretty baby. Give me five if you love me, baby. And if it's Johnny Bilengas, I will go.
Just a boy running it.
Cheers to my pretty baby. Give me five if you love me, baby. Cheers to my pretty baby. Give me five if you love me, baby. Oh, man, the fingers upon me, then the gully must pick up. Oh, man, the best of me, the gully must pick up. We got a confession, started on a very good foundation. The way you love me, baby, because of our very good foundation. Can't it one up and forever. It's about me, very separable. And for me, we gotta be high level up, girl, we gotta be. Take me to the end, girl, we gotta be. And then when I got in the water again. Cheers to my pretty baby. Give me five if you love me, baby. Cheers to my pretty baby.